Food processors are one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own. They can shred, slice, and dice ingredients in a matter of seconds, making them a great time-saving tool. With so many different models on the market, it can be hard to know which one to choose. That's why we put together a list of the 5 best food processors on the market to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're looking for a powerful machine that can handle all your food prep needs, or a more compact model that won't take up too much counter space, we've got you covered. All the links to the products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Magimix. The Magimix Food Processor 3200XL is a high-quality appliance that can help you with a variety of food preparation tasks. With its blender mix ring, 3 operating modes, and stainless steel blades, this food processor is sure to make your life easier in the kitchen. It has a powerful motor that can handle a lot of tough ingredients, and it comes with a variety of different attachments and accessories to help you with different tasks. It also has a quiet motor, so you won't have to worry about disturbing the peace while you're preparing your food. Number 4. Ninja. The Ninja Professional Food Processor is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance that makes food prep easier with its 1000 peak watt motor, 4 Auto IQ intelligent press-it programs, and unique blade system. The food processor can chop veggies, shred cheese, and make cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. The 9-cup capacity is perfect for large families or entertaining guests, and the easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor is a solid option for those looking for an affordable basic food processor. With bowl scraper is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool. It has a built-in scraper attachment to scrape the sides of the bowl, eliminating the need to stop and remove the lid to scrape with a spatula. The 10-cup capacity is perfect for most home cooking needs, and the large feed chute means less prep work. The powerful food processor includes a chopping blade and slicing, shredding disc. It has 2 speeds plus pulse. It is also dishwasher safe. Number 2. KitchenAid. The KitchenAid 3.5-cup food chopper is a convenient little chopper that is perfect for everyday use. The work bowl features a locking blade, handle and pour spout for easy serving, and is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. With its small countertop-friendly footprint and simple cord wrap, it's easy to store, neatly tucking away when you're finished prepping. The chopper has 2 speeds and a pulse setting for coarse or fine results, and the stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks in place for convenient pouring. The drizzle basin is great for incorporating liquid ingredients for sauces and dressings while processing. The BPA-free work bowl is a great feature for those looking for a chopper that is free of harmful chemicals. Number 1. Cuisinart. The Cuisinart stainless steel 13-cup food processor is one of the best food processors you can buy and has been since it was first introduced in the early 2000s. It's a number 1 bestseller at Amazon with nearly 10 reviews and an average rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. The reason why this processor is so popular: it's easy to use, has a large capacity, and is made of stainless steel for ease of cleaning as well as durability. The Cuisinart food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance that can help you with a variety of food prep tasks. With a large 13-cup work bowl and a smaller 4-cup work bowl, this food processor can handle both big and small jobs. The 550-watt motor ensures that this food processor can power through even the toughest ingredients, and the exclusive Seal-Tight Advantage system seals the bowl and locks the blade in place, so you can be sure that your ingredients will be chopped, diced, or shredded evenly. With a variety of included blades and discs, as well as an accessory storage case, the Cuisinart food processor is a must-have for any serious home chef. So there you have it. We hope that this list of the best food processors has helped you to decide on the right one for you. If we missed any of your favorite choices, let us know in the comments below so we can add them to our next update. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.